I Auntie Blue Box. Yes, Auntie, I have the call. Auntie, I apologize for not calling back from one night, man. I really apologize. Auntie, and that. Auntie, pure things are going on here. Pure things, Auntie. Because people just feel that them can't kill people and just walk free and nothing not come out of it. Yes, Auntie. To out down your violence right now, Auntie, I advise her not to come down here. Because if I never have to be here, I wouldn't be here. If I never making up your house, I wouldn't be here, Auntie, I'm telling you. Yes, Auntie, don't come down here if you don't have to come down here. It's violence bad. Very, very violence. Yes, Auntie, so how you doing? You see the picture of them? So yes, sister, I never lie. Me I tell you, I make your house door. You like it? You like the room? The master bedroom big? And the bed pretty? Yes, sir. At the carpentry up the road, I asked make the bed dead and carve it out nice and proper. I tell you, my auntie want it. And the whole heap of money they charge me. The $30,000 just to the bed alone. Yes. That's not a bad price at auntie. At 60 me tell you? A mistake, man, a mistake. A mistake. Yes, auntie. Oh, you mean with the policeman and the policewoman in that picture? Lord have mercy, auntie, you can't say so you never pay attention in school, auntie. It's nanny of the Maroons and Buster Manty. Yes, they were polices. Yes. So me just try to keep a little history in the house. Yes, man, them were polices. And they were honor them to big things. That's how long you left here? Yes, auntie. I'm happy. So you love what you say. All you say. Tell us I'm not disappointed. I'm not disappoint you. I'm glad you appreciate it. Yes. I'm appreciate all of what you do for me. Eh? You do what? When you married auntie, so you never tell me this? Jesus Christ. No, auntie, me happy for you. Lord God. Yes, auntie, me happy. So you gonna do what? When? Go where? Jesus Christ. No, auntie, I want to fly up on the wall. Auntie, you come jump me. When? You want to come down with me when me come up? Lord of mercy. No, auntie, it's not no inconvenience. What are you talking about? You have big 10-bedroom house. Come sleep in that when you're ready. No, auntie. No, man. No. So everything is all right. I'm so happy. I'm so happy for you, auntie. I feel like I could shit up myself right now. Yes, auntie. I'm excited, auntie. So, may you going to come down together? Okay, you're coming down a few days after me. Lord God, me for call Nancy. No, man, no, for do with you. No, Nancy just a very good friend I have. Yes, like him come like my boyfriend. Yes, auntie. So everything all right? Yes, man, me all right. Me still a come. Then auntie nobody ticket already. Mama say yes, I'm owe you, but I'm not to go on right now. Yeah, auntie. So auntie, question. Me say over the cold bad, that true? Boy, auntie, you have to get me a scarf, get me some gloves, and get me a nice furry jacket. Yes, auntie, but guess what? Me have to cover up myself after me no want to catch bad cold and catch a bowl and dead. No, auntie, not take no check. So you see no fall today? Auntie, me excited to come next. Yeah. Auntie, buy me see no gears them? Yes, auntie. Boy, me love you, see? Yes, auntie, the credit I got done. Alright. See if you can send me a little more. Yes, auntie. The house everything alright. Auntie, don't worry yourself. Me happy, say excited everything about it. Auntie, you have to love me. Because enough people send the money for make house out here. One time, people go deliver furniture. A goat and cow and donkey, then see I eat grass and pure bush and pure olive or something. Yes, auntie, happy say me make your house 10-bedroom you ask her, and it's 10 you get. Yes, auntie, it is a pleasure. It is a pleasure, auntie, not a problem. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Yes, auntie. And do please go get the no gears them. Yes, auntie, can't afford to get sick. I have too much to live for. Alright, auntie, love you too. Bye. Mwah, 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 mwah. See you next month. Alright, talk to you later.